Forget just writing emails. This AI is your new personal coach and life optimizer. For years, when we thought of artificial intelligence in our daily lives, our minds often jumped to mundane tasks, filtering spam, suggesting email replies, or perhaps powering a simple chatbot on a website. It seemed helpful but largely uninspiring.
Nice.
The idea of AI as a personal assistant has been around for a while. But what if its true potential goes far beyond streamlining your inbox? What if the very technology we once relegated to simple automation is now sophisticated enough to become your most dedicated, insightful, and always available personal coach, your life optimizer, your partner in growth? Today, we're diving deep into this revolutionary shift. We'll explore how cutting-edge AI is no longer just a tool for productivity, but a powerful catalyst for profound personal development, helping you unlock peak performance, cultivate mental well-being, and truly master your life. Get ready, because this is where AI stops being a novelty and starts being truly transformative. The evolution begins with AI's unparalleled ability to process and personalize. Traditional coaching, while invaluable, is often limited by human capacity and cost. An AI coach, however, can analyze vast amounts of data from your journaling entries and calendar to your fitness tracker metrics and even your emotional, tone and written communication, all with lightning speed and without judgment. This allows for a level of personalization previously unimaginable. Imagine an AI that truly understands your unique patterns, your peak productivity times, your stress triggers, your learning style, or even the subtle shifts in your mood throughout the day. This deep, data-driven understanding allows it to offer insights and recommendations that are precisely tailored to you, far beyond what any generic advice could provide. It's about moving from broad strategies to hyper-individualized guidance, making every suggestion remarkably relevant and impactful. One of the most exciting applications is in cognitive and emotional optimization. Many cutting-edge AI tools are now designed to act as advanced journaling companions or mood trackers. You might write freely about your day, and the AI can analyze your text for recurring themes, identify potential negative thought patterns, or even highlight subtle shifts in your emotional landscape you might not have consciously noticed. It can then offer prompts for reflection, suggest mindfulness exercises tailored to your current stress levels, or even guide you through cognitive behavior therapy techniques to reframe challenging thoughts. This isn't therapy, but it acts as a powerful self-awareness tool, helping you gain clarity, process emotions, and build mental resilience. For those struggling with productivity, AI can analyze your work habits, pinpoint procrastination triggers, and suggest customized strategies for focus, time management, and task prioritization, all based on your actual behavior, not just theoretical best practices. Beyond mental well-being, AI is becoming a formidable force in physical health and fitness optimization. We've already seen wearables track basic metrics, but integrate that with AI, and the game changes. Imagine an AI fitness coach that pulls data from your sleep tracker, your heart rate variability, your activity levels, and even your dietary inputs. This AI can then generate a truly dynamic workout plan that adapts daily based on your body's actual recovery state. Had a poor night's sleep? It recommends active recovery or a lighter session. Feeling highly recovered? Pushes you for a new personal best. It can analyze your nutrition logs and identify precise macro or micronutrient deficiencies, suggesting personalized meal adjustments. For injury prevention, AI can analyze your movement patterns from recorded workouts and offer corrective exercises or form adjustments. This level of granular, responsive coaching maximizes your results, minimizes injury risk, and ensures you're always training optimally for your unique physiology. The journey of skill acquisition and personalized learning is also being revolutionized by AI. Learning a new language, mastering a complex software, or developing a new professional skill often requires dedicated tutoring and customized feedback, which can be expensive and time-consuming. AI acts as an infinitely patient, always available tutor. Language learning apps use AI to provide real-time pronunciation feedback, Adapt lessons to your progress and simulate conversations. For coding or complex software, AI can identify where you're struggling, provide tailored explanations, and even generate practice problems or scenarios specific to your learning gaps. Imagine an AI personal tutor that understands your unique learning style and emotional state, adapting its teaching method on the fly to keep you engaged and effective. This democratizes access to high-quality, personalized education, allowing you to acquire new skills at an unprecedented pace. However, embracing AI as a personal coach requires mindful engagement and critical awareness. It's crucial to understand that AI is a tool, not a substitute for human connection, professional therapy, or medical advice. The data it provides, while powerful, should always be interpreted through the lens of your own intuition and, when necessary, verified by human experts. We must also be vigilant about data privacy and security. As these AIs delve deeply into our personal lives, ensuring that our sensitive data is protected and used ethically is paramount. Choose reputable platforms, understand their privacy policies, and be mindful of the information you share. The goal is empowerment, not vulnerability. This new era of AI is truly about giving you more agency, more insight, and more control over your own development. It's about leveraging incredibly sophisticated technology not to make you dependent, but to make you more independent, more self-aware, and ultimately more capable. From optimizing your sleep and stress to accelerating your learning and fitness, AI is stepping out of the inbox and becoming a powerful partner in shaping the best version of yourself. It's about empowering you to build a life that is optimized, fulfilling, and truly aligned with your highest potential. So, are you ready to embrace AI as your personal coach and life optimizer? How will you leverage this powerful technology to transform your daily routines and unlock new levels of personal growth?